You remember King Midas? You know, everything he touched turned to gold. What if I could give you an opportunity to know when the golden time it is to get into gold? Would you be interested? Well, this is our stock picking technique number 6, and it's called the Midas Touch. VectorVest has a very unique way of timing when to be in and out of gold, no matter what anybody else out there tells you. People are going to always tell you, hey, you need to go buy more gold now. It's going down. You're going to like it at a lower price. It's really going down. You're really going to like it at a lower price. That's called dollar cost averaging. And not many people are on board with that. But if you've got a lot of money, dollar cost averaging could work for you, but not in many other cases. So this cherry picking technique called the Midas Touch, VectorVest again has developed a really good, simple way to get you in and out of gold at the right time. So let's take a look. On this graph, we have the Huey, the Gold Bugs Index, and you'll see certain things on the graph. We've got moving averages on the stop price of the Huey. We have a 10 and a 65. Let me move this over. We've got a 10 and a 65-day simple moving average on the stop price of the Huey. Again, all of these videos about stock picking techniques are germane specifically to the VectorVest system. You can't get this anyplace else. Why is the stop price so important? Because it's a 13-week moving average adjusted for the fundamentals of the stock. The stop price will smooth this out to get you in and out the right times. And then we have a moving average of relative timing. Again, another indicator you'll only find in the VectorVest software, and it's a 40-day simple moving average done down here. Why is that important? It smooths out relative timing. So the smoothing between using the stop price and RT, a moving average of RT, gets you in and out at the right time without bouncing you all over the place. I love that part of the technique. So this is the Huey. And how do we use this? When we look at the 10 and the 65-day moving average of the stop price, we look for a crossover. The green is the 10 and the red is the 65. Let's go put a date line here. When they cross, that's a good opportunity. It is then confirmed by the 40-day moving average of RT going above the value of 1. Put those two together, you'll see time and time again, then it's the right time to be in gold. It happened again here, right here. Bingo. The 10 was above the 65, and the 40-day moving average did go above 1. Now, interesting in this one, it reversed pretty quickly. It pulled down, found a level of support, hit a new high, and then pulled down hard. Well, did you still have an opportunity to make some money in the move? And the answer to that is yes. Not a ton, but this one presented you with a better opportunity. But nonetheless, and somebody will say, well, you came so late to the party here. Well, preliminarily, you can get in without the confirmation just looking at the 10 crossing above the 65. I would rather, and especially if you're brand new, I would prefer that you use the confirmation of the both. But if you're a little bit more aggressive, the 10 going above the 65, coming a few days off of that bottom of gold, that would have been a nice little move. But if you use the confirmation, it wouldn't have been as nice a move, but you still would have made money. Now, currently, where are we? Everybody's telling me, Glenn, you need to be getting in gold. You need to be getting in gold. I'm telling you that based on this simplicity behind this stock picking technique, it's not the right time to be in gold. Let the gold come to you. And even if I were a little bit more aggressive, the 10 is not above the 65 right now. And the RT, the 40-day moving average of RT is just steadily moving down. And trending from the Huey, looking from the high, it is this, and that's since May, it's just trending down. So you can fight it all you want and tell me that, yeah, I want to get in now, and as it goes down, I'm going to buy more. And as it goes down, I'm going to buy more. I'd rather you, instead of putting the money behind the stock's price depreciation, let's wait for the stock or wait for the gold to come to you. All right, so that's the stock picking technique called the Midas Touch. And I'm go over to the right to get that Midas Touch graph layout set up for you. I simply click it, and it automatically brings up all of the parameters that I need on the graph. So it's great to know that. How do I find stocks at the right time that meet this criteria. Instead of just looking at gold from a cherry picking or stock picking technique, how can I use this for stocks? That's a great question. This technique is so good on just getting you in and out of gold. We found that it will help you in finding stocks as well. Simply go over to the Unisearch tool, go to the folder that says cherry picking. Now, keep in mind that we are using moving averages. Well, actually, let me click on it, and we're going to go to a basic one, Midas Touch -VST. Now, normally when we're looking at moving average crossovers, you need to have ProTrader as part of your package. But because we do the work for you, we maintain the stocks that meet the Midas Touch stocks. We maintain that list for you. You don't have to have ProTrader to go search for these stocks. All you do is run the search, and it will find the stocks that are greater than $1, greater than 100,000 shares, no ETF shorts, everything that we need, and it's already looking at that stock watch list of Midas Touch stocks. Now, we know what's going on in the market. The market's going down. We've done a great job as far as all the information on our YouTube channel to prepare you for it. As a matter of fact, I just did a video last night of my top weekly picks for US, Canada, and Australia, and I had you all on the downside, and guess what? So far, going into the week, it's working out for you. So, hopefully you watched that video. If not, look at the link in the description. You'll be able to watch that. So keeping that in mind, the stocks that met the criteria of Midas Touch stocks, where the 10 and the 65 of the stop price was crossing in the 40-day moving average of RT, crossing above 1, here's the stocks that meet the criteria, but with the market going down, what is it doing? It's going down in price. So the ideal situation is to use it for gold. Another situation is to use it on your stock, actually using it on stocks that are already in the system that we've already found for you that meet the Midas Touch recommendations. Well, this is a good stock picking technique for the right time. Though you'll notice that there's a lot of different variations of the Midas Touch. We ran a competition, VectorVest wide, and there's little different variations to how to find various Midas Touch stocks. I want you to concentrate on the VST descendant and then venture out to look at the different variations that might fit you. Now, let's talk about that extra bonus. We know that gold is a commodity. So I like to use the Midas Touch on different commodities when it's the right time to get into those. Let's go start up at the top. How about copper? Look at that there. Copper, the moving averages of the 10 and the 65 cross, RT, 40-day moving average RT just went above 1. I'd keep my eye on copper. How about the last time it happened? Back here, when they both hit on the same day, 11-11, look at the nice move on copper before it turned down. Let's go to the next one. We already did the Huey. How about oil? We've been talking a lot about oil. How about the moving averages have moved up on oil? I just moved that over. I'm just really waiting for the RT, the moving average of RT, to go above 1. But I like preliminarily just using the crossovers. I could have been playing oil early. Personally, I'm already in oil. We've done a lot of given a lot of information about the cutback on supply. The demand is still there. Oil is poised to rise, and the Midas Touch is putting us in tune with that as well. How about lithium? Wow, lithium, they did cross. Look at that. They did cross. The 40-day lithium is on the rise, we know from EVs, but it's pulling back. How about that? So if you're on a lithium play looking at the Midas Touch, I can also say maybe I can pull back out of it right now, only play half of it if I've made some profits along the way. I still think that lithium has a good way to go, but right now it's not the right time. Look at that. The Midas Touch is backing me up on that. Let's go to the next one. Uranium. A lot of people are telling me, Glenn, don't sleep on uranium. Absolutely, I am not sleeping on uranium. I like right now that the 10 and the 65 have been confirmed by RT. Look at the move. I think that with any commodity, you can use the Midas Touch. Since gold is a commodity, I think you can stay in the same line of thinking. Folks, the bonus here is I don't know how many of you who already use the Midas Touch even thought about using it for different commodities. So if that was worth it for you to stop by and catch this video, let me know. Let me know worth it. Type it in the comments, worth it. All right. If you're brand new to the channel, I'm going to ask that you subscribe. We do this kind of content every single day. Our job is to bring the information useful to you to help you guys make money in the market time and time again. If you like the content today, hit the like button. Again, new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Folks, we're going to keep doing this. I probably have a couple of more stock picking techniques for this series. Remember, this is up to number 6. 6 different ways, folks. 6 different ways to utilize the VectorVest system, only found here at VectorVest, to find stocks. Folks, this is what it's all about. This video is over, and until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, you know that we can analyze any stock in a matter of seconds. Do you want to analyze any of your stocks for free? You want VectorVest to tell you what you really need to know about that stock? Well, you can. If you go to www.vectorvest.com/YTFSA, you can get a free stock analysis on any stock that you're currently holding or are possibly looking at. Folks, what do you have to lose? Do that now and analyze any of your stocks in a matter of seconds.